Hello everyone, welcome to the channel NR Media 24/7. My name is Rajesh.
Hello, I'm Nishi.
Today we are going to watch the official trailer of an upcoming Hindi movie, Bhool Chook Maaf, starring Rajkumar Rao, Vamika Ji. It's releasing on 9th of May and it is directed by Karan Sharma and produced by Dinesh Vijan. We have watched the teaser and we understand the concept where he's stuck in time, right? Just a day before his wedding. It's a comedy and I think it's a remake of Korean movie as well as Hollywood movie. So let's check this one out.
देखिए लड़का लड़की बालिग है, इससे पहले कि दोबारा भाग जाए दोनों की शादी कर दीजिए।
अच्छा ठीक है, 2 महीना में सरकारी नौकरी ले आओ तो तितली तुम्हारी।
2 महीने में गैस का सिलेंडर नहीं भरता, तो 2 महीने में क्या होगा?
पापा
चुप रहो, यही दर्द है तुम्हारे।
ए मिश्रा, हाथ मत लगा। अरे नहीं, अरे मतलब पापा जी ऐसे हाथ लगाएंगे तो कानून हाथ में आ जाएगा ना सर के सामने। पापा
चोर बाजारी 2 महीनों की पहले थी आदत जो हट गई।
2 महीने सरकारी जॉब कहाँ से मिल जाएगी?
महादेव, जल्दी से हमारी नौकरी लगवा दीजिए, हम अपना सर मुंडवा लें। सर मुंडवाएंगे तो सबको लगेगा कि पापा ही चले गए। हे महादेव, हम 16 सोमवार का व्रत, अरे तो लौंडिया रखती हैं, हम आजीवन ब्रह्मचर्य का पालन कर।
अबे मन्नत मांग रहे हो कि केबीसी खेल रहे हो?
घटनी ही थी
इनकी सरकारी नौकरी लग गई।
हेलो, हर हर महादेव।
बस आज की रात है हमारे पास, कल तो तुम हमारी धर्मपत्नी बन जाओगी ना।
चलिए हल्दी लगवाइए बैठ के।
मम्मी फिर से सब में लग गई आप?
हाँ तो आज हल्दी की रस्म है।
हल्दी हो तो गई, अब क्या मरीनेट कर दोगी? मम्मी सबका टाइम नहीं, 8 घंटे में बारात है।
आज 29 है, कल 30 है, कल की है बारात।
चलिए हल्दी लगवाइए बैठ के।
अरे तारीख क्या है आज?
हाँ तो 29 है आज हल्दी की रस्म है।
फिर से हल्दी हो रही है, फिर से। 2 दिन से हमारी 29 चल रही है, 30 नहीं आ रही।
क्या हुआ बाबू?
बहुत विकट मुसीबत में फंस गए हम। पंडित जी ऐसी क्या मन्नत मांगे कि भगवान इच्छा पूरी करते हैं? 101 रुपया रखो। मात्र 101 में सुन लेंगे।
अरे शुक्ला की तरह सर मुंडवा लो भैया, बेस्ट है।
मैंने करनी चंद्र से शादी।
महादेव जाने किसकी हाय लग गई है। 15 दिन से एक ही दिन में अटके हुए हैं हम।
बाबू क्या हुआ?
हम हैंडल कर लेंगे, चलो।
हम साला यहाँ अपनी
मेहंदी छोड़ के आए हैं, हमें कुछ आता नहीं है। सार जुगाड़ तुमने किया है, हमसे उंगलीबाजी करते हैं। लहंगे का पूरा पेमेंट नहीं हुआ है, सब पता है हमें।
बाबू,
अरे बाबू नहीं है हम।
यार तुम्हें किस मोड़ पे ले आया।
ऐसा तो नहीं कि तुमने किसी का दिल दुखा दिया है?
हमसे कोई भूल चूक हो गई हो तो माफ कीजिएगा। भूल चूक माफ करना। आशीर्वाद ले रहे हैं पिताजी।
कौन पिताजी?
चरण स्पर्श माता जी।
आज तो बड़ा अम्मा के पैर छुए जा रहे हैं, कल से तो बहू के आगे पीछे घूमेंगे।
बस उसी कल का इंतजार है भाभी, एक बार आ तो जाए।
कोई ये बताए क्या होगा।
So it's an out-and-out comedy with Rajkumar Rao all the way with his comic timing. Vamika also looks good. So now I feel so one thing I noticed that even though the day is repeating, he is going through different things in that day. I know that Haldi is the same thing that's happening again and again, but we see different scenes that happens on that day, so it's not exactly same. Is what I feel in this case.
Even in Groundhog Day, I think he tries, right? Because initially he's all frustrated, but later on he tries to do different stuff.
I think the title Bhool Chook Maaf, maybe he has done something wrong to someone, and then he has to go back and say sorry to be able to get over this, the cycle of getting stuck on the same day. Because initially in the trailer, the scene where he's getting angry with the girl's dad, shows us he's not a very nice guy to start off with, right? He's so self-centered, trying to get a government job to get married, and then having to go through this time capsule, I would say, to realize that he has to do something to get out of it. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's good to see that initial glimpse of why or how they get to the decision of getting married. So it's I think they were trying to elope and then they wanted to make it a arranged marriage, and the condition of getting a government job and all of that, right? But the thing, yeah, it makes sense now because of. But I feel like they have showed pretty much the most of the movie, right?
Except the part what
how
has
he
happened.
comes out, right? Yeah. So even they show about like he's trying to kill himself and see, right, if he comes out of it. But then, we have seen Rajkumar Rao in very similar, I would say, characters, right? He's really brilliant in these, like a small town guy trying to be naive and who wants to get things moving, right? So yeah, it'll be interesting how, because usually when the trailer comes, right, they show like the first within the 30 minutes, right, and then the remaining you will get to see in the movie. But here I feel like they have shown at least half of the movie, if not more. So it will be interesting to see, right, like what is it that is left, right, like for us to uncover, and probably, yeah, we don't know how he's going to come out of it, but yeah, cast wise I think it's good, and even the scenes with I think, yeah, it's been, yeah, we have seen a few movies where we have the same the marriage setting, the family and all the gathering coming up, but looked good actually being in that, because the same day is repeating, right, with all the functions.
Yeah, you guys let us know what you think about this trailer in the comment section below, and if you are new here, please do subscribe to our channel.
Like, share and hit the bell icon.
Thanks a lot for watching.
Thank you.